30 days ago, I was nervous. I started this challenge with fear, doubt, and low confidence. But today, I feel proud, stronger, and more confident than ever. Hi everyone. Today, I want to share my experience after completing 30 days of English speaking challenge. At first, I made so many mistakes and I forgetted words, and sometimes I felt shy. But I can't stop doing this every day. Now I can speak English easily. I can express my thoughts clearly, and I feel more comfortable in front of the camera. The biggest change, I believed in myself. This journey taught me progress comes from consistency, not from perfection. Every single step takes me more closer to fluent in English. I want to thank everyone who watched, liked, and supported me. Your support keeps me motivated. And this is not end. From tomorrow, I will speak better, stronger, and more confident. Thank you for watching my journey.